We are the only company in our industry to have appointed a chief medical officer. Our customers are going to gain an additional team member that's going to help them with their product development, FDA understanding, and market knowledge.
What is the problem you're solving? What is the pain point that you're trying to address? What do key opinion leaders think of your product? That could be manufacturing, that could be industry, that could be academic leaders, it could be key physicians that are in private practice. How do you get physician acceptance? Will it fit into their current workflow? Will people value what you're developing? How do you get paid? How's your cash flow? So if, is it a razor blade model? Is it a big capital expenditure? Is it an efficiency? You've got to think about all that. And your design and your patents, how you want to design, you may be blocked from designing by the patent landscape or the value proposition. Maybe there's the use of how this product will be used will dictate how it has to be developed and what it has to look like. So the regulatory process, FDA, CE mark, China, other regulatory processes, design, manufacturing, quality. A design feature may be too complicated, too expensive, too inefficient. You may be blocked from doing that, or perhaps that's a better way. You have to think about all these things up front. Investors, what are your milestones? How do you keep them interested? How do you keep developing to keep moving your product along? And remember, it's never a ladder. It's a series of enlarging spirals, and you've got to keep addressing all these points and make sure, and in the meanwhile, you're responding to external competition, you're responding to competitors, you're responding to all different things, and you've got to keep iterating and developing till you get to that minimal viable product, and ultimately, keep improving your product, and evidence generation and clinical studies is part of that. Technology development, as you're trying to think about the design elements that you're going to build into your products, understanding how it's used in the field, what the pain points are, what is there a value to certain materials that would have certain qualities. That could be something that I could help think through.